Hi investors, it's Bernice Retzloff with TurnkeyInvest.com. I help investors just like yourself buy and sell great real estate right here in Memphis, Tennessee and the surrounding areas, just like this property behind me. Today we are in Whitehaven taking a look at a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom located in a B-class neighborhood. Let's go take a look. This is one of our turnkey properties that we fully renovated ourselves. Built in 1973 in a square footage of 1,354 square feet. Listed at $149,500. We are at 51 West Byfield Drive in Memphis, Tennessee. As I stated, this property is a turnkey property, so all mechanicals are brand new. We have a brand new roof, new water heater, new HVAC system. The HVAC system will be installed once a resident moves in. We did paint part of the exterior on this home. Brand new shutters on this home as well. Partial low maintenance brick exterior. 1-car carport, cute landscaping out front. We have those boxwoods out front. Storage area just off of the right of the home here. Let's take a look inside. Thank you so much for tuning into our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are greeted with the living room. In this home, we have new interior paint throughout. Spacious living room. New LVP flooring throughout as well. Now, the living room does not have an overhead light, but I'm pretty sure it's that outlet, operates off of the switch, so one of your residents can bring a lamp in here. Honestly, I think lamps are best for the living room. It creates a more moody environment. Just off of the entryway door here, we have the coat closet. That LVP flooring flows into the bottom. Wood shelving and a rod for your residents to hang their coats up top. Heading through the living room, we have the kitchen here. Brand new kitchen with a brand new vent hood, new cabinets, lots of cabinets, perfect for storage, new countertops, brand new stainless steel sink. This is an EN kitchen, so over there would be perfect for a dining room table. Here we have the right side access door right off of the carport. In this closet, we have the pantry and washer box, brand new washer box. Shelving up top for dry goods storage. We also have the dryer hookup right there. Before we take a look at the bedrooms, you know the drill, let's go over some numbers. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $149,500 and a target monthly rent of $1,350 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 7.5% and a cash-on-cash return of 5.92%. Your total cash needed to close would be $43,875, resulting in a monthly cash flow of $216.55 a month. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Heading back through the living room, we're gonna head down the bedroom hall here. First stop on our left is the HVAC closet. Like I said, a new HVAC system will be installed once a resident pays funds and moves in. To our right here, we have an additional storage closet or the linen closet off of the shared bathroom. Lots of shelving up there for storage. That LVP flooring flows into the bottom. To the left here, we have bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 could fit a full bed and a dresser. Clear view of the front yard and the street. take a look at the closet for bedroom number 4. Luxury vinyl plank flooring in the bottom, wood shelving up top, and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes. Adjacent from this bedroom, adjacent from bedroom number 4, we have bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 could fit a full bed or a queen with a dresser. With a queen, it would be snug a little bit. With a full, there would be plenty of room to spare. We have dual closet doors over here. That luxury vinyl plank flooring flows into the bottom. Wood shelving and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes up top. Spacious closet in here. Take a look at the bathroom. So here we have our half bath for bedroom number 1. Brand new toilet. Brand new 1 sink vanity as well. Continuing down our hall, taking another left, we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 could fit a full bed and a dresser with room to spare. Another bedroom with a clear view of the front yard and the street. Closet concealed by dual doors. Very long and narrow closet here, lots of room for storage. Shelf and a rod up top for your residents to hang their clothes. Continuing down to the end of the hall to our last bedroom. Could fit a queen bed and a dresser. Closet concealed by dual doors in this bedroom once again. Very long and narrow closet, just like bedroom number 3's closet. Luxury vinyl plank flooring flows into the bottom. Shelving and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes up top. We do have the electrical panel located in here, perfectly labeled and updated. I would also like to state that we do have updated electrical throughout the home as well. Continuing back up the hall, we're going to take a look at the shared bathroom for bedrooms 2, 3, and 4. Luxury vinyl plank flooring in the bottom of this bathroom. New tub and shower. Brand new toilet. New 1 sink vanity. This bathroom is perfectly located just off of the living room here, so guests can also access it if your resident decides to host. Continuing on our tour, I'm gonna take you outside on our exterior tour. Heading through the carport, I'm gonna take you to the backyard here. Now this property is located within 5 minutes of Geter K-8 school and Fairleigh High School. Fenced in chain link fence backyard. There is some brush, we're gonna clean that up. We've just been waiting for the fall season to clean that up, so that is on our list to do. We do have our condenser right here. That condenser will be replaced once we get the new HVAC system installed. Here is an exterior back of the property shot. You can see that brand new roof. We have that low maintenance brick exterior on the back here. Thank you so much for going on another lovely tour with me. Like I stated, this is a turnkey property, so new roof, new water heater, new HVAC. If you have any further questions about this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have general questions about investing in Memphis and the surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. We also have a list of all of our available properties on our website as well if this one doesn't quite fit your buy box. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye.